Namaskar friends, today we are going to see derivative of the type u is equals to f of x raised to power g of x. Okay, we have to see such type of functions where we have a function and its power which is also one of the function of x. Okay, so we know that such type of derivatives we do not have in a formula type. So we will have a special kind of concept for this. Okay, so how to solve such type of derivatives? So here we use logarithm. We use logarithm for finding such type of derivatives. Okay, so how to use? We will take logarithm on both sides, and we have log of u is equals to log of f of x raised to power g of x. Okay, and we know that the formula for log of f of x raised to f of x raised to power g of x is that, so g of x into log of f of x, and we know how to solve such type of derivative. You know, u is a function of x, u is a function of f of x, and log u is a function of u. So we use chain rule for finding such type of derivative, and after using chain rule we will have u into v rule for this, and we will find the derivative of such type of functions. Okay, so by using some examples we will find out such type of derivatives. We will see one by one. Okay, so we will take just one example. Example 1, if u is equals to x raised to x, then find du by dx. Okay, so how to find such type derivatives? We know that x is a function of x, and the power of this x is x. Again, it is a function of x. So using this rule we will find out the derivative of this one. So u is equals to x raised to x. This implies log of u is equals to log of x raised to x. So now log of this function is equals to x log x. So because we know the formula for this one, log a raised to m is nothing but m log a. Using this formula we will take this exponent to the product of log x. Okay, and now we have u is equals to x into log x, and we will find out derivative of u with respect to, so we have log here, sorry, log u is equals to x log x. Now we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So log u is a function of u and u is a function of x. So we use chain rule here. So what is derivative of log u? So derivative of log is 1 by u into derivative of u with respect to x. This is chain rule. We are differentiating log u with respect to u and also multiplying du by dx. So how we are using chain rule here? We know that chain rule formula, how it is. Suppose u is a function of v and v is a function of x, then we have du by dx is equals to du by dv into dv by dx. Using this chain rule we are finding this. Okay, now here we have to differentiate with respect to x. So there is a product of x and log x. So we will keep x as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is into derivative of x is 1. So x is cancelled here. So now after this step what we get? So we will find out this. Okay, here. So 1 by u is equal to du by dx, and that x is cancelled, so 1 plus log x. So what is derivative of, now what is derivative of u with respect to x then? So here we will find out that. So you will multiply here. So what we get? Du by dx is equals to u bracket, this is 1 bracket 1 plus log x, and we know that u is a function of x, and that is nothing but x raised to x. So what is the derivative of this? X raised to x 1 plus log x. So guys, du by dx is x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. So using that rule we will find out this. Okay, so by using the method of logarithm. Okay, thank you.